What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to do with you guys. Excited about this box. This was sent by my good buddy Ken, who contacted me and said, hey, you want to take a look at this? And I said, yes, absolutely. Thank you so much. Just want to remind you guys, the main reason that I'm able to bring you guys at least one video a day, usually two, is 100% due to my extremely generous Patreon supporters. That is literally what keeps this channel going. So if you've been enjoying my content and you'd like to provide some additional support, there is a Patreon link down in the description that you can follow and have a look around. And then if you'd like to join and support, then you certainly can. There's also links down in the description for some useful EDC items, whether for yourself or if you're trying to get some Christmas shopping done for loved ones this season and you like to get EDC stuff. So check that stuff out too. Obviously a Civivi knife. So this knife was actually generously donated to the channel as well. So I'd like to take a moment here to build up some tension and really annoy my audience. No, but seriously, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. I hope nobody ever feels obligated to just donate things to the channel, but that's really cool. I'll make sure and do something fun with this. Oh, yes. Oh, wonderful. Here we go. Ready? Yeah, the Civivi Praxis is what this is. Let's make sure. Does it say? It doesn't say. This is the Praxis. So I had listed this knife on a recent playlist of knives that I really wanted to review. That video got a lot more views than I thought that it would, and people responded. Like I was like, you know, I might get a couple people in a month that are like, hey, I have this, you know, if you want. But there were a ton of people who messaged me all at once. Actually, so many. If you messaged me and I was like, you know, I'd love to, but I gotta backpedal. It's because I've got so many knives that are waiting to be reviewed. And I had so many people contact me all at once, I was only able to accept about 3. But I really appreciate everybody who jumped in and said, hey, no problem, you can review this. So anyways, Ken let me know that this is just barely used. So it's a great example, but this is one of those really, really nice Civivi knives that I never got an opportunity to review. And you guys know that I like really straightforward designs. I like drop point blades that have an emphasis on function, especially in a budget knife. I mean, this will be an excellent example in my Quest for the Perfect Budget Knife series, which is going to be, you know, it only has a couple episodes left. So really happy to get this one as an example. Thank you so much for donating it. This is sweet. Look at that choil. Oh yeah, I really like that. I always find it odd that Civivi does the colors that they choose, like gold and OD green. Wouldn't be my first choice, but it doesn't necessarily look bad either. I do really appreciate Civivi's level of fit and finish for what they're offering. Definitely. So guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. Like I said, if you'd like to support this channel, Patreon link in the description, as well as some really useful EDC items that you can purchase for yourself or a loved one this holiday season, and support this channel that way too. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.